TNEA 2021 Tamil Nadu Engineering Admission. Let us see how we can apply through online. There is an application process, step-by-step explanation. Mandatory. The two things is very much important. The first one, mobile number. Second, email ID and password. Let us see how to create a mail ID. First, you click www.google.com. This page will be displayed, and see here, click this Gmail. Then this page will be displayed. Click create account for myself. Here give the first name, last name. So here I have given the first name Subhash and last name the initial A, and the username asubhash132004@gmail.com, and I have given the password. Then click next. Then verify your phone number. I have given the phone number. Then click next. You want to verify by using the verification code. I have entered the verification code. Then click verify. Then now give the birthday date. Then click next. Then click yes, I am in. Click I agree. Now the mail ID is created. Then type TNEA, enter. This page will be displayed. Then click the first link, Tamil Nadu Engineering Admission. Then click here for new registration. Then enter the name as per your 10th mark sheet. Enter the phone number, and next enter the mail ID which we have created, and enter the date of birth. Date of birth that is 13/6/2004. Whether +1 passed, click yes. Qualifying examination, higher secondary. So enter HSC, then enter the password, then click save. Click yes. Then enter the OTP. Then click submit. Then enter the username, that is a mail ID, and enter the password. Then click login. Application number created, that is 266623. The first step is personal information. So parent name entered, then civil status of native place, that is village panchayat. Then communication address, that is typed, and next gender male, mother tongue Tamil. If you click the same as communication address, it will be displayed in the permanent address also. Then nationality Indian, nativity Tamil Nadu, state Tamil Nadu, district Thuthukudi, taluk Thuthukudi, pin code 627002. Then here religion Hindu, name of the community BC, name of the caste Nadar, Aadhaar number entered. Then click save and continue. This is second step, special reservation information. First one, whether you are a candidate under the sports person. No, I click no. Then second, ex-serviceman. I click no. Differently abled person. Here also I click no. Then this step is very important. That is, you want to select the center for certificate verification. I enter that is a Government Polytechnic College, Palayangottai Road, Thuthukudi district. Then click save and continue. Third step, scholarship information. First, parent occupation. Here he is a coolie worker. So I have clicked others and annual income 78,000. Are you a first graduate? I click no. Then click save and continue. Fourth step, school of study information. Category of school, government aided. Then studied 8th to 12th in Tamil Nadu. S. Civil status of school location, village panchayat. Have you studied 6th to 12th in government school? S. Then here I have entered the school name, that is BVD Higher Secondary School, Thuthukudi. And the state is Tamil Nadu. School type, government. Government. Then click save and continue. Fifth step, academic information. Qualifying examination, higher secondary. Then name of the board of examination, Tamil Nadu board. Permanent register number, I have entered, and higher secondary roll number entered, and qualified year 2021, higher secondary group, HSC academic, group code, physics, chemistry, maths and computer science. Then medium of instruction, Tamil, higher secondary maximum, that is a total mark 600. Higher secondary obtained total marks 405.37. Don't forget, enter the point also, okay. And SSLC maximum total marks 500. SSLC obtained total marks 258. Community certificate number entered. Then click save and continue. This is a preview, final one. Check it carefully. Personal information, name Subhash A, name of the parent Arichandran S, communication address and state Tamil Nadu, district Thuthukudi, Taluk Thuthukudi, communication address pin code 628002, native district Thuthukudi, civil status of native place, village panchayat. Then date of birth 13/6/2004, gender male, mother tongue Tamil, nationality Indian, nativity Tamil Nadu, religion Hindu, name of the community BC, name of the caste Nadar, Aadhaar number. Check it once again carefully. Then click continue to pay. Click continue. Your payment was successfully made. Here BC quota, so I have paid 500 rupees. Then click generate report. Then click download now. The file will be downloaded. This is a file. You please check it and take a printout and keep it safe. I hope you all understand about how to apply TNEA application through online. Thank you.